Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you've ever felt frustrated with a messy Shopify menu or wished your store's navigation looked more professional and user-friendly, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to reorganize your Shopify menu like a pro so your customers can find what they need faster and your store looks clean and inviting. By the end, you'll know how to revamp your menu layout, get rid of confusing dropdowns, and set up a smooth drawer-style navigation. All right, let's dive right in. When you first look at your Shopify menu, you might see something that feels a bit off. Maybe you've got sub-items tucked away under Home, or your navigation is cluttered with drop-downs that are tough for shoppers to use. We want to streamline all of this, so your customers aren't digging around trying to find important pages. Start by looking to the right side of your Shopify dashboard, and you'll see something called Main Menu. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your navigation links live. Now click Edit. Here, you'll see all the pages and links that make up your menu. They might be nested or in drop-down form. Pay close attention to which items are grouped as sub-items, especially under Home. If you see links that are indented or nested, that means they're currently living inside a drop-down. For example, if Shop or Contact are hidden under Home, your customers might not even notice those options at a glance. To give those items their own spot in the menu, simply click and drag them out of the nesting, like pulling books off a shelf so they're easier to grab. This part can take a few moments, especially if your menu has lots of layers, but don't worry if something doesn't look right at first. You can always undo or move things around until you're happy. Once everything is arranged where you want it, each main menu item standing on its own, be sure to hit Save. This locks in your changes. It's always a good idea to take a breath here and double-check your updated menu. Does it look clean and make sense at a quick glance? If not, you can easily pop back into the editor and adjust things more. Next, let's make your menu look even sleeker by switching the menu type. Go back to the menu settings and look for the option where it says Menu Type. Change this to Drawer. Instead of the old drop-down style, a drawer menu slides out from the side, keeping the look modern and uncluttered. Drawer menus are especially handy if you've got lots of pages. Think of it like opening a kitchen drawer to see every tool laid out neatly, instead of rummaging through a crowded toolbox. Once you've set it to Drawer, don't forget to save again. That way, your changes show up right away on your live site. And here's a tip. Don't be afraid to tweak and experiment. If you want to try rearranging items again or switch up which pages appear in your navigation, you can do that anytime. Shopify lets you move things around until you get it just the way you want. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've reorganized your Shopify menu like a pro, making your store easier to navigate and more appealing to shoppers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if there's another Shopify feature you want to learn about. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your online store. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Shopify journey.